I know everybody has probably been in this situation where you bought a brand new phone, a new iPhone, Galaxy, Android, and you don't know what to do with your old phone. Well, I'm about to tell you what you could do with every phone that has a camera, especially a rear camera. The link for this video will be in the description. So this is how you could use your Android phone as a CCTV security camera. Now, nowadays, security is something you should never compromise with, especially the security of your home. A lot of people go out and buy security systems, but they can be quite expensive. But if you have an old Android phone or tablet laying around the house, why not revive it and use it for a different purpose? Now, did you know that you could turn your old dust collecting device into a fully functioning security camera, and that's without spending a dime? And before I go any further, I am proof that this works. I have it set up in my house. So as long as you have a camera on that phone, you could transform it into a security camera. Yes, a CCTV security camera. So if you're on a budget and you don't want to go out there and buy that, all you have to do is download the app that you see right here. This one is Alfred Home Security Camera, Baby and Pet Monitor CCTV. Now, there are several security cameras that you could download from your Android store. I can't speak for the Apple store because I don't do iPhones like that, but I know for sure that you can do your Android phone like that. And this app in particular have a baby video audio monitor system, a pet camera, a device to keep an eye out, and this is what happens when you do it. So turning your phone into a home CCTV security camera can be easy. All you have to do is download, install the camera app first, and then you just go to the Google Play Store, click on the download link, or you can click on the link in this description and do it right through this video that you're watching. Once it's done, you just need to install it on your old Android device and to the current phone that you are using. Just register your account, set up your device configuration, and then all you have to do is just point the camera where you want to monitor. Pretty much, that's it. And you could operate it from the phone that you are controlling the camera from. So that's how easy it is. You could use a tripod to hold it, or if you ghetto like me, you just prop it up somewhere and aim it where you want it to look. There's several ways, and this has motion detection, alarm. You could talk. If you have somebody at the house that you want to talk to, it has a siren. And when I tell you this is official, bruh, just click on this link and install this, save you some money. One thing about me, I'm always trying to get you guys the ball on the budget. So check this out. It's high definition. The better the phone that you're using to set up your camera with, the more clear and the more defined it would be. So you could just use pretty much one of your cheapest Android phones, as long as it's like a 12 megapixel rear camera, you're good. So yeah, just save you some moolah, baby. Like this video, leave your comments, share it on Twitter, Instagram, Bogle, and YouTube. But more importantly, subscribe later.